Hi, I'm Vijay Kalyan Jha from MBA 100. I just appeared for the IIFT 2023-25 entrance examination and I have some observations. First of all, a good score would be 115 to 120. This test was not very different from how it has been in the recent years. But there is one more thing that was not very different from how it has been in the recent years. Very poor interface. IIFT teaches management or at least claims to teach management. So they should take care of this aspect. You had to zoom in and zoom out very often. And the overall experience was so very pathetic with the interface that almost everyone writing the test would have probably invested some good amount of energy on dealing with it. Then it comes to the test areas. GK was typical the way it has been with IIFT. Certain questions were you had to match the column, but you could get the answer by matching just one of the things. Alright, of the 4 things in the left and right columns, even if you knew just one of the answers, in certain cases you could get the answer. And there were certain questions on static general knowledge, certain questions on current affairs as well. The structure of data interpretation and logical reasoning was slightly different this year. Total number of sets on logical reasoning was more. There were many questions. There were at least 2 to 3 sets with just 2 questions on data. Quantitative aptitude was probably a tad more difficult than how it was last year. And I would say that a good attempt in quantitative aptitude would be of around 10 to 12 questions. And in fact, anyone who touches 15 should be able to get something around 99.8 percentile. And overall, a score of 120, 125 should be able to fetch you 99 percentile. But there is one thing, there are many people who talk about cutoffs when it comes to this particular exam. We cannot talk about the cutoff because only 73% weight is given to the written part. 27% weight is given to some other parts of your profile. Alright, so we can only talk about good score. A score of 120, I repeat, should be able to get you around 99 percentile. In quantitative aptitude, if you get something like 40, 42 also, that should be equivalent to 99 percentile score. Verbal ability was full of vocabulary based questions, and certain words seem to be alien even to those people who are very good at vocabulary. I do not know what do they try to check by putting such alien words, and in fact there are certain words which would be alien even to aliens. So that is all that I have to say. I wish you all the best, and in fact immediately after this you have another examinations. You have SNAP 2. We wish you all the best for SNAP 2. Thank you.